Hi students, it's Jandon. First of all, thank you for creating and sharing your nameplate to introduce yourself to your classmates. You should have reviewed and commented on the short videos in the design links in the purple welcome folder and submit comments to the discussion prior to Tuesday, September the 1st. So this is our first assignment. And I'd like to do a brief introduction, but please read the assignment sheet. So creativity is a skill that improves with practice. Creativity deepens when you explore a number of solutions to the same problem. The black square assignment gives you an opportunity to try several solutions to the same problem before you commit to the final solution. The assignment is adapted from Professor Richard Wild's vision in his book, Visual Literacy. As he says, he puts students into the unknown, then results in their inventing original imagery. So taking risks with assignments, like the black square, with its process of iteration, helps develop problem-solving skills that transition across disciplines. So, the assignment. You're going to experience the visual power of limited graphic elements, 4 black squares, as you explore classic 2D design and Gestalt principles. You may want to observe physical examples cut from black paper to see how they work in space. Perhaps they overlap or maybe bend in space. Arrange the 4 black squares within a square format to create designs that communicate the meaning of each of the following 6 words: order, increase, bold, congested, tension, and playful. You'll discover how the relationships between minimum spaces can imply meanings and actually lead to storytelling. Some examples from the past 2D design student sketches. Think of ways that you can interpret these images. First is framal reference. How do the shapes relate to the edges of the design space? Notice how you can read the first image as that of a bold white square pushing the little black squares out of the picture, and the second as a large black square aggressively shoving its way through the other squares. Touching. How much of this space is there between the shapes, or do they touch? In this example, these squares are getting uncomfortably close to one another. The space is a bit claustrophobic. Overlapping. Are the shapes on top of one another? How much of each square is hidden? And why do we read this image as a stack of black squares? Can you picture them spinning? So, cropping of forms. Do the shapes bleed outside the design space? The bottom square extends beyond and outside the square, forming an illusion that it is coming forward in space. Illusion of space and perspective. How does the arrangement of shapes create this illusion of depth? These squares appear to be moving closer to us, increasing in size as they continue left to right. And then contrast of elements. Size, direction, spaces in between. Consider the white spaces created by the shape of the black squares. These squares are the same size and are symmetrically placed, very orderly, whereas these differ and are positioned to create a tense asymmetrical composition. And these different size squares are placed in a way that makes us close them to create a face. So process. Read the black square assignment PDF. Then create preliminary sketches for each word in your sketchbook. Use black pencil or black marker. Fill in the shapes with solid black. The examples of past student work are shown to help you understand the process of the assignment and the variety of creative solutions possible. They're not meant to imply that this is what you should do. For this assignment, you need to take some creative risks. Think about the stories your compositions tell and invent your own interpretations of the 6 words. Show your sketches to others for feedback. Ask what they see and listen to their comments. Submit photos of the sketches to the Schoology assignment and the media album by Tuesday, September 8th at 10 a.m. Make comments on other students' submissions in the media album. Please ask questions and share constructive criticism in your discussions. The final, select the sketch solutions you feel are most effective in communicating each of the words in the most unique way. Consider how you can make the 6 designs work well as a group. Notice in this example the consistent white line widths on all of the 6 squares. Use a black marker to complete the final designs in the 11 by 17 tabloid sheet. You will need to use a fine line Sharpie for the edges and then a broader marker to fill in the spaces. Use a ruler to ensure that the lines are nice and straight. Neatness counts. So submit a photo of your final black square sheet to Schoology assignment and the media album by Tuesday, September 15th at 10 o'clock. Contribute to the conversation by commenting on other students' submissions. Points will be awarded for commenting on other students' work. And finally, the reflection. Download and open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Fill in the editable fields and then save your PDF to your desktop and upload to Schoology. Remember, Tuesday 10 a.m., it's due then. The assignment will be graded after all the components are submitted. Review the ART101 grades and the ART101 rubric. You will be able to see your grade and comments in Schoology. The assignment is not about finding the right answers. It's about finding your original, unique solutions. If you are interested in learning more about the language of design, you can download this book for free on this website that I've just found. So stay well and please take creative risks in this assignment. See you soon.